Hi, in this video I will talk about Instagram business account and how to convert your personal Instagram account into your business account. So go to Instagram. So here you can see this is the account we have created in the last video. So now click on edit profile. You can see here, switch to professional account, click here, click continue. So now choose the option which best describes you. Like here are the options available: education, entrepreneur, editor, writer, health and beauty. And so choose the option which best describes you. So here I am choosing digital creator, click done. So in this screen you have two options: creator and business. Creator for basically for public figures, content producers and artists or influencers, and business for your local business and retailers and organization and different types of service providers. So here I am making business account, so choose business here, click next. So you can sign up for promotional emails, or you can disable these options. So I am okay with this, so click next. So in this page, give your phone number and business address for your business. So here I am giving my phone number. So now here in this page you have four options, and basically you need to complete all these four steps to switch to professional account. So first click on complete your profile. Now here we need to give our bio. You can see the red warning icon. So give your bio according to your brand or category or business. So here I am giving, like for example, graphic design. And you also need to add profile photo, so add your photo. So now we have completed our first step. Now click on get inspired. There is a second step. In this step you can follow these peoples according to your liking or category or brand. So I'm choosing randomly right now and click on this. The second step is completed. Now click on explore tools and insights. So you can watch these insights and ads, or you can just click on this icon here, and the third step is completed. Now click on introduce yourself. So you need to showcase your brand, mission or great ideas by sharing a post, and you have to at least share 3 posts to complete this step. So create your post and at least share 3 posts. So now here you can see how your professional account will be look like. And one of the biggest differences, professional dashboard, basically tools and resources for creators. And here you can see your account insights, like who reached your account in last 30 days, advertisements and branded contents, and other resources. So this is how you have created your professional Instagram account.